Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a meal prepping and kind of like showing you how I cook my food at home. This is really simple and easy, as you saw from the title. I will be doing honey barbecue chicken. Okay, get into it. Okay, honey barbecue chicken. I'm going to show you step by step from start to finish how I prep my meat, how I wash my meat, how I season my meat, and how I cook it, and also how to do the sauce. Okay, very simple and easy. So right now this is my chicken. I get chicken wings. You could do drumstick. You could do any kind of chicken, to be honest, but I prefer to do it with chicken wings. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and wash our meat, and you need your vinegar. Okay, if you don't wash your meat with vinegar, girl, what are you doing? Like, can somebody tell me what are you doing? Okay, you have to wash your meat with vinegar. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it very, very, very good. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season the meat. I'm taking my Montreal chicken seasoning. Normally I use my Adobe, but it's finished and I forgot to pick it up at the store, so I'm gonna use this today. And also garlic powder and onion, and also my Mrs. Dash. And also, you don't want to put too much seasoning on the meat because you don't want it to be too salty. Like, you want it to be seasoned very well, but you don't want salt to be overpowering. Else, like, girl, you're gonna be eating salt. All right, so don't put a lot. Then I'm gonna go into my Mrs. Dash. I love Mrs. Dash. Then my garlic powder. Then my onion powder. And then I'm also going to put pepper. And the pepper that I'm using is the cayenne pepper. You could use black pepper if you have it, but this is what I have. Then you're going to go in and make sure your hands are clean and go in and rub everything up properly. Okay guys, so now that you can see that my meat is well seasoned and all of the seasoning are in the chicken. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it sit for like, I would say an hour to 2 hours. And then I'm going to go ahead and come back and start putting it into the oven. Please, like, let your meat sit for like a couple hours, even overnight, because you want that, you know, you want that seasoning to marinate into the chicken. You want to taste that seasoning when you bite the chicken, okay? So let your chicken sit. Don't like put it on right away when you season it up. Let it sit. Okay guys, so now that everything is marinated for 1.5 hours, I just cover it up and let everything marinate, and this is how it look. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my cooking container and I'm going to go ahead and put some foil onto it. And guys, I'm going to tell you a secret. The secret is to make your chicken not stick on your foil. This is what you got to do. Take any oil of your choice. This is extra virgin olive oil, and just spread it around. And then make sure your hands are clean and just spread it all over. And right now my oven is preheating, so I have to wait until it is finished. And just rub it all over just like this. and then put it in the oven for 30 seconds to a minute. And my oven is on 350, so I'm gonna let that sit in the oven for 30 minutes. And you know, I just want to show you my chicken. It is, oh, it smells so good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spread the chicken onto the foil, just like that. And I might have to use 2 containers because I have quite a amount of chicken in here. So yeah, I definitely have to use 2 trays. So this is 1 tray. Let me get the other one. Now that the oven is ready to go and it's on 350, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this chicken in. Don't cover the chicken, just let it sit for, I would say, 40 minutes. Oh, this one is hot. I forgot that I just take it out the oven. Girl, I'm about to burn myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go on, take my timer, and I'm gonna let the chicken sit for 40 minutes inside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my sauce. Okay guys, so to make the sauce, I'm gonna put a little bit of the barbecue honey, sweet honey sauce. I'm also gonna be putting ketchup and also honey, and then a little bit of sugar. You're supposed to use brown sugar, but I wasn't prepared for this, so I'm gonna be using white sugar today. So I'm gonna take my container and pour the ketchup in here, and make sure you do a lot. A bit of the barbecue chicken. You don't have to put a lot. And I forgot to tell you guys, you need browning. Just a little bit of browning, not too much, because you just want the browning to just get that brown color. So just a little bit tip, just like that. That's it. And then I'm gonna do my sugar, and you do it to your liking. Maybe like, you know, 2 scoops of sugar. Then you mix it up. And I think I will need more because, as I said, I have 2 pans of chicken, and I think I'm gonna need more. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more ketchup, and then stir it up, and then taste it as we go. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, so now that the sauce is ready, as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and let the chicken sit in the oven for 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out and just, you know, lather it up and put it back in the oven. Okay guys, so it is time to take out the chicken so that I can coat it. Almost burned myself, but it's okay. Okay guys, so this is the chicken. It's not done yet, but as you can see, it is getting a little brown. So it's been 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the chicken with my homemade sauce. I'm gonna coat one side, put it back in the oven for 10 minutes, then take it out, turn it around, coat the other side, and then put it back, and then it's gonna be all done. But this is the way how the chicken looks so far. So let me go ahead and coat it. Okay guys, so this is how my chicken look. One side all coated. Oh my god, it looks so good already, and my meat is not even done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle a little basil on top, not too much, just so that the presentation can look good. And look at my chicken. This is the honey barbecue chicken, all completed. Look so good. I am in love and I can't wait to just stick in it. Yes guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, turn on your bell, and leave me a comment. Tell me what other dishes you want me to cook, and I'll cook it for you guys. And I'll see you. Bye guys.